Yep. What it is, YouTube? It's your man DJ Keys. Come on, a little vid today, man. We are getting ready for Project YUKON Beast. That's right, man. YUKON Beast. We getting ready to run the wire, get the wires ran. See if we can get a shot of the wires. Was going to attempt to run some 4 gauge, but I knew down the line eventually, we'll be upgrading. So what I did was, okay, a lot of sun, excuse me for the sun, YouTube. So I decided to go ahead and go with some real true pure copper, 4 gauge. Well, I don't know, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't know what gauge this is. But the only thing I can tell you, it's pure copper. It was reclaimed from a BMW. And if you know anything about BMWs or Mercedes, they run very heavy gauge wire from the rear of their vehicles to the front. So this is reclaimed wire from BMW. When I got the wire, it was in extremely good shape. It was almost in new condition. There was no condensation. There was no jacket wasn't even faded. Any of that. Let's see if we can get a shot of it here. Don't know if you can see it. We'll move a little sign. But yeah. So what I like to do on installs is I like to run my cabling under the vehicle. Now you have a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll come in through the firewall, but a lot of guys is doing sound systems, and especially competition sound system, know that you can't get one out. Trying to get one out through a firewall is just like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So we are not gonna go that route. We're gonna go from the engine bay. Let's see over here. A lot of birds chirping today. Memorial Day, Mondays, real nice outside. So yeah, we're gonna go down through here. This is the contact, positive contact. But I got to tell you though, I'm not sure how things are gonna come out, because I attempted to run a larger cable from the alternator over to the battery, thinking that I would strengthen the the travel of the the electricity, but it acted really funny. My gauge light, my interior lights were flickering, and my headlights was also flickering. So I took this wire right here. I took it loose because I had ran it here all the way down to this junction here, but the truck did not like that. I haven't had a chance to figure out why. If any of you guys know why that may have happened, please leave that in the comments for me. So I had to unhook it. The truck was acting funny when I did that. And of course, you guys know all vehicles and all trucks and cars are different, and they behave in different ways. I attempted to do the big 3, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to run, just run my one out through the engine bay, and we're going to come all the way down, down by the wheel well. That is something that, GM, that's some kind of thing that's from the factory. So we're going to, tack on to that, but I'm going to tuck it real well and get it, make sure it's nice and tight and everything is okay. And at that point, we will run it all the way here. I know it's a lot of sound out YouTube. I apologize for that. Sure, it's hard for you guys to see a video, but I'm gonna come up right about here. I'm gonna come up from the bottom of the truck. We're gonna get the step drill bit out. We're gonna come through from the bottom. At that point, we'll take the wire and we're gonna run it all the way up. And let's go around back. Once again, I apologize for the lighting, son, YouTube. Yeah, so we're gonna come all the way back. We're gonna come all the way back. These are my jumper cables. We're gonna come all the way from right here with the power cable and the 12 box. It'll be right here because initially we're gonna just put a 12 band pass box, which already has the amp attached to it from my truck before this one. So yeah, that's how we're gonna run it. And when I get it done, I'll definitely make a part 2 video showing the work completed. Like I said, we're gonna start off with a 12-inch band pass, man, and that thing, it moves some air. It definitely moves some air. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, YouTube. Get everything ran, and the minute I'm done, I'll take another video of the project. Once again, shout out to SS Astro. She's just chilling. Got to get her in the shop, get the transmission rebuilt. As you know, guys, you know, we get it rebuilt. You know, we play hard, you know, and things happen, especially with that 4L60E. It's not the most stout transmission in the world, and I haven't had a built one probably in about 10 years. Initially, I had a built one. That transmission from Amco, it held up for 6 years. You know, we ran hard with that thing for 6 years. So yeah, it's his Astro just sitting in the shade. You know, he chilling, waiting for his time. You know, she still starts up. Well, he still starts up. It's running real well, man. So, all right, YouTube, that's what we're doing. So, we're gonna go ahead and jump on Project YUKON Beast. All right. Just gonna go ahead and get the wires ran. So when I get the wires ran, I'll try to get some videos and get some light up under the vehicle so I can show you guys how the one out was ran up under the vehicle and all of that other good jazz. So all right, YouTube, for your man DJ Keys, I'm out. Peace.